Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I guess you already figured it out by the title of the video, that I have a couple of unboxings for you guys today. I'm super excited about these unboxings. And you know, my channel is about luxury and contemporary brands and just things that we all love as women. And you know, it's a small part of our lives. If you're like me, it's something that gives you a lot of joy and happiness, but I have something to share with you guys that trumps all of it. So as you know, it was Grandparents' Day, and this is the handprint of my little just turned 3-year-old granddaughter, Molly Kate. And she is just the sweetest little thing. And this is something that she made for Keith and I. And I was reading over it and it just, I'm not kidding. It just touches my heart. You guys, we talk about luxury on this channel. We talk about beautiful things that we love. And that's just a small part of our lives, but this is everything. This is my life right here. This is my love and my family and my grandchildren. And you guys that don't have grandchildren, you just wait, because you think your children are something. Just wait till you have those sweet little grandbabies. But this is something that I will treasure forever, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. It says, "A grandchild's hand. The promise of tomorrow and hopes of dreams come true. A reminder of the childhood that's still a part of you. The wonder of a miracle from which this love began. There is so much found in the touch of a grandchild's hand. Happy Grandparents' Day." So this is a treasure, you guys. All this other stuff, it's nice things, but this is a true treasure. So I just had to share that with you guys. I could tear up. That is just the most beautiful part of life. Okay, you guys, I'm in my jammies and I got this little sleep shirt. I'm standing up because if you guys could see the state of my closet, you'd come over here and help me, because I'm trying to get things organized. I really want to show you guys all of it, and I have boxes everywhere. But anyway, I went out with my mom today shopping, came in, I was freezing, and I put my cozy little sleep shirt on, and I got this at the Nordstrom sale. I loved it so much, I went back and got this one. I paid full price for it, but it's worth every penny. It's so soft. It's just a sleep shirt. It goes to just a little above my knees, so it's so comfortable. I love to wear things like this around the house. I will put this in the description box below for you guys. And before we get started, I need to show you guys something. All right, do you guys remember the Great American Lipstick Challenge? All right, so you guys, I'm a slowpoke, but I finally completed the painting. And Gwenny, hi girl, she won the painting. It had to be pink, you guys, because this is going to Gwenny, so it had to be pink. And it's still drying. It took me a while to get to it because I've actually had a few commissions and some seasonal artwork to do. So this is the painting that Gwenny won, and I will let it dry just maybe another week, put a light coat of varnish on it, and I will send it your way, Gwenny. Okay, that's really a better shot. So like I said, it had to be pink because it was going to Gwenny, and I hope that you enjoy your little painting. I think it'd be really cute on a little easel, sitting on a shelf. And this is the painting that Gwenny won. So hopefully I'll do another giveaway around Christmas. Maybe we'll do a Christmas painting giveaway. All right, you guys, I just have some unfinished business that I have to clear up because I'm not trying to draw out the unboxing, but I do have a few things to share with you guys. Now, remember when we went to Myrtle Beach and I said I didn't get a bag? I really didn't get that much, so everybody was like, oh, I can't wait to see what you got. I forgot to show you guys. So what I got was, I actually got 3 belts. And I've never had a Tory Burch belt before. And look at this beautiful, it's that arugula color. And you guys know I've been wanting that bag. Actually, a couple of my subscribers this week sent me messages saying, hey, that bag's 30% off. So if you guys want some Tory Burch, 30% off for the fall sale. And I may pick that up because I actually went in Tory Burch. I wanted the orange belt, but they did not have the orange belt in my size. So I saw this green one and it has the gold hardware. And I was like, I love that. It's so, so pretty. So I picked this up. And then on the other side, you know, these belts are reversible, is this really pretty brown color. So I can just flip the buckle. So it has the beautiful arugula color and then the brown. So I picked this up, and this is the 2-inch belt. And I got this one a little bit bigger. It's a size large. I got it to wear it down lower on my hips with my jeans. All right, so I got that. Then I picked up another belt, and this one's black, and this one has the gold hardware, and it's the same color on the other side, but this belt I got in a medium, and actually for my waist, my husband, he's probably gonna have to put another hole in it because I got this one to wear, you know, I got this one to wear around my waist, like around dresses or jackets or sweaters or something like that. So I wanted this one just to cinch my waist. That's why I got two belts almost the same. So these are the 2-inch belts, and I got them, I think they were 40% off at the outlet. And then, you guys, I was so strong because I wanted to get a bag, but you guys remember the fiasco. I got my Gallet Neverfull and Epi. I kind of had that in my mind, so I refrained from buying a bag. So I just got the 3 belts. So then I got another belt, and this one is the 1-inch, and this one's black with the silver hardware, and on this side it's gray. Love it, love it, love it. And this one I will wear, I got a large so I can wear it lower on my hips. I probably will have to have my husband, he's got a tool that will punch a hole just exactly like this. So he probably will have to punch a couple of extra holes in it, but I'd rather it be like that than the belt look too small. So I probably will have a couple of holes punched in all these belts, so they'll be so versatile. But I got such a good deal, I couldn't help but get all 3 of them, and that is all I got. Well, no, wait, I got my phone case. Where's my phone? I don't know where my phone is, but I got a Kate Spade phone case. So that's all I bought for myself there that day. It was so freaking hot outside, and we had to stand outside wearing masks, so I wasn't about that life. I did pick up a couple of gifts for people that I can't show because they're watching, but yeah. Oh Lord, who could that be? I'm in this group text with Autumn and Winnie and Jill and Bobby. I don't know which group text it is. Okay, I'll deal with you later, Autumn. Okay, so as I was saying, I was just really excited because these are the first Tory Burch belts that I ever got, and I did want that bright orange, but I couldn't resist the green. Love it. So I got 3 Tory Burch belts. I can't say that. Tory Burch belts. Tory Burch belts at a really good deal. So that's all I got at the outlets that day. And 10 minutes into the video, we are finally about to do the first unboxing. I'm trying to get my address off. I'll just turn it around backwards. All right, so the first unboxing is from Louis Vuitton. So we're gonna go for the gusto right off the bat. I'm super excited about this. This is an item that I had no idea that they came out with. And Autumn texted me, you have to get this item. And I was like, oh my gosh, I do. So this is Autumn's fault. So this is a true unboxing. So I'm gonna, see? So I'm gonna go ahead and tear the tab off. And I'm really excited about this. I just had no idea they had come. I don't really keep up with what's new, you guys, like I should, but I'm really happy that she texted me about this particular item. I'm so excited. So here it is, it says Louis Vuitton. Wonder if it's going to be in a box. Okay, so here it is in here, no ribbons. Okay, don't even get me started on them. Okay, I gripe about them and then I buy something. Okay, so here's my receipt. Whoops. Okay, so here is the item that I got that I had no idea that they had come out with, but I'm super, super stoked. So I open up the little drawer and pull this out. Do you guys have any idea what this could be? So here we go. Little drawstring bag. I'm gonna reach in. Oh my gosh. So these are the palladium version of the Louise hoop. Okay, so you guys know that I have the Fendi ones, and they, like, one of them is gold and one of them is palladium. So Autumn was like, you could totally get this pair and then you could wear like a gold and a palladium or a gold and silver. And I'm like, okay, leave me alone. I have to go order these. So these are my most worn earrings. So, you know, I just felt like, since I was brokenhearted over my Neverfull, I just dropped it on the floor. You guys know the anguish that I've been through this week, and it's just been just a horrible ordeal. And, you know, so, you know, I needed something to lift my spirits. And so when Autumn told me about these, I was like, I have to get them. She was right. She's always looking out for me, you guys. I gripe about her a lot, but I'm so happy to have these. I mean, I just had no idea that they had come out with them. So here's the gold ones. I wear them all the time. And now I have the palladium, and I am planning to wear them in the same way. Well, I can wear them. I mean, I can wear gold, I can wear palladium, and now, let me get this little tag off. So I can wear them like the Fendi, because I've always loved mixed metals. I've always mixed my metals. And so now I'm super excited about this. So yeah, I had to do something, you know, to lift my spirits. And you know how Winnie is always telling a story? I've got one. My husband, he was a CPA before they bought the business, and he's a numbers guy, so he's always crunching numbers. And at this time of year, he's usually adding up our expenses, and he added up all of my purchases for the year. And he came home and told me that I needed to cool it. He came up with $1.00 amount. Ooh, oh yeah, beautiful. See, gold, silver. Ooh, aren't they pretty like that? So let me finish telling the story. So he was like, you have spent this amount of money, and you know, you are over your quota for the year. You are way over your quota. I'm like, well, Keith, the Birkin, I mean, I know that I buy things, but a lot of things I buy are like Coach and Tory Burch on sale. I really didn't think that I went too crazy this year. But he was like, you're way over your quota. And I'm like, Keith, are you saying, he said, you really don't need to get another bag this year. And I'm like, not another bag all year? He's like, there's only 3 months left, a little over. And I'm like, well, what do I have to live for now? He hadn't had a lot to say to me since. So, anyway, I'm like, well, I sent that other bag back. And, yeah. So, that's where the earrings come in. I just don't want that bag anymore. Once I have a really bad experience, like with my on the go, I just didn't want it again, but now suddenly I kind of want it. But anyway, so when Autumn told me about these earrings, I'm like, I have to get them because I love the gold and silver. So if you guys have the gold ones, you might want to go on the website and pick these up. And that way, it's almost like you have 3 pair of earrings instead of 2, because you can wear the gold together, the palladium, or like this, which is really my favorite way. I just think it's so fun to mix the metals like that. So I'm really happy. Thank you so much, Autumn, for telling me about these earrings. Wow, love these earrings. And like I said, I wear them all the time, all the time. Okay, now I have another item, and it's not super expensive, by Rebecca Mincoff, and I don't remember if it was on sale. I think maybe it was, but anyway, I think I paid about $150 for this item. All right, so it comes packaged like this, and cover that like this. This is packaged better than the Neverfull that I just sent back. This is packaged better. Shame on you, Louis Vuitton. Okay, so here it is. And you guys, I'm just gonna tell you, it's a backpack. Okay, so when I saw Winnie and Gwynnie unbox their fancy little nylon bag, I thought, I need a nylon bag, because I don't know, if I go to a ball game or even an art festival or some kind of outdoor activity, I just don't want to carry an expensive bag, or Disney World. And I thought, but I don't want to spend that price. And I know it's pretty reasonable, but I started looking on the Rebecca Mincoff site, and I saw this. I love army green, especially for fall, well, all year round. And I just love this backpack. So it's nylon, and it has the leather trim, the silver hardware, and it has these little leather pieces here. And it has a back pocket here, right back there. I don't know, I just thought it was super cute. So I think it'd be really cute for casual days. I really like this. It's just a little army green, cutie patootie, inexpensive little nylon bag. I feel like I would use this a lot. So, and like, if I go to like a plein air, you know, paint workshop or something like that, I like to carry things like this. I just don't want to carry anything expensive. Even, let me show you this backpack. Now this one, I did, usually when I get Tory Burch and Coach, I pay, you know, half, but I paid full price for this last year, and I just would not feel comfortable to take this with me to a plein air workshop. So something like this, I'm all about something like this. So I'm really excited that I picked this up, and if you guys like it, I'll put it in the description box, along with a couple of other my favorite Rebecca Mincoff bags. I love that brand. I've had a bag for quite a few years, about close to 3 years, I guess. It's one of my favorite casual bags, and I'm planning on doing a video about my non-luxury handbags. So that's coming up pretty soon. I love luxury handbags, but I think that it's necessary to have bags like this. I mean, you just can't, I mean, I just go places, I don't think it's reasonable really to take a really expensive bag certain places. So that's just me. But anyway, this is my little Rebecca Mincoff bag. I really, really like it. That's all I have for you guys. If you guys have any requests, please give me a request, because I've been trying to fulfill the requests that I've had. Give me some ideas. Anything you want to hear, anything you want to see. If I ever get my closet straightened out, I will show you guys the entire closet, but it's a bit of a mess. And so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.